Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to unbox a futuristic smartphone or smartwatch. This is the NUBIA Alpha. It's essentially a smartwatch but with more functionalities and features. It's got a 4-inch OLED display that's claimed to be the largest wearable flexible screen in the industry. So let's unbox it and see what we get in the box. Opening up the box, we get presented by the NUBIA Alpha wearable phone. Wow! This thing looks amazing. Let's keep it aside for a moment and have a look at other accessories. In the right compartment, you get the charging cable, warranty card and the user manual. The charging cable is a micro USB and not the Type-C. It would have been great if it had Type-C. Opening up the left compartment, we get the charging brick and the magnetic charging connector. Now let's get back to the watch and see what it offers. The NUBIA Alpha features an all-metal build, optional 4G and centers around a flexible 4-inch full-view OLED display. It packs in fitness tracking, mobile payment capabilities and a 5-megapixel camera for stills and video calling too. The big attraction of the NUBIA Alpha is its 4-inch flexible display. It's an OLED display of 192 by 960 resolution, giving it a pixel density of 245 ppi. It's bright and vibrant, but the relatively low resolution reminded me of early wearables. However, the internal specifications are typical for a smartwatch. There's a Snapdragon 2100 processor, 1 GB of RAM, 8 GB of storage, and a 500 mAh battery that should be good for a day or two of regular use. The display is made by Visionox, which easily bends to take the shape of the watch, thanks to the design of the body. I can't comment on the long-term durability of the NUBIA Alpha display. We'll wait to test it out for long-term. The NUBIA Alpha runs a custom operating system you can interact with in 3 ways: touch, air gestures and buttons on the side. The interface felt responsive, without any lag or major bugs during my testing. The gestures work okay-ish. You can wave your hand above the device to scroll up and down or to move back and forth between the sections of the interface. This works most of the time. Sometimes the watch doesn't register the gesture and you end up waving back and forth like a lunatic. I found it easier to just use the touch interface, which is more reliable. But I am sure there are some use cases where touchless controls can come in handy. Now let's talk about the price. The cheapest Bluetooth-only Alpha costs $512, the 4G eSIM model is $626, and the 18K Gold eSIM version is $740. So, concluding this, the main highlights of the watch are: 4-inch foldable flexible display, sports and health monitoring, real-time message reminder, Bluetooth calling, eSIM card in Chinese version. But it's not available for eSIM card function in the international version at this time. Alpha OS. Mid-air gestures. So that's all for this video. I will be posting an in-depth review of the NUBIA Alpha, so subscribe to watch it. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more videos.